Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Professor Sana Kamran, working as assistant professor in Arts, MGVS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon City. Today, my presentation on the topic of molecular orbital theory. First of all, I want to tell you about its content, that is introduction, rules, method, differences, as well as advantages and disadvantages. First of all, molecular orbital theory of homonuclear diatomic species. Homonuclear diatomic species, that means same species, that is hydrogen, lithium, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, fluorine, etc. Molecular orbital theory for polyatomic species. Polyatomic species, that means heteronuclear diatomic species. That means two different species take part in bonding. Considering bonding for SF6, CO2, B2S6, I3 molecular species. Next, the molecular orbital theory was put forward by Hunds and Mulliken in 1930. On the basis of valence bond theory in molecule, atomic orbitals retain their identity. That means identity is same after the formation of bonds. But according to molecular orbital theory, atomic orbitals combines and forms new molecular orbitals. Then next, rules and method. First, molecular orbital theory obeys the following rules as do atomic orbitals. First rule is Pauli's exclusion principle. This principle states that इलेक्ट्रॉन हमेशा सबसे पहले लोअर एनर्जी लेवल में जाएंगे, उसके बाद हायर एनर्जी लेवल में जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity explains that pairing cannot be started until each and every orbital can carry one electron. यानी हर एक ऑर्बिटल में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पहले जाएगा, उसके बाद पेयरिंग स्टार्ट होगी. देन नेक्स्ट, there are two methods for getting an approximate yet at the same time a satisfactory idea about molecular orbitals. First method is that linear combination of atomic orbital. It is sometimes called as LACO method or LCAO method. Second, united atomic method. United atomic method, it is also called as UA method. Overall chapter depends upon the only linear combination of atomic orbitals. Next, differences. Molecular orbitals are formed by combination of atomic orbitals. Since orbitals are wave functions, they can combine either constructively, that is we called as forming a bonding molecular orbital, or destructively we can say that forming an anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Atomic orbitals with differ energies or the wrong spatial orientation do not combine and are called non-bonding orbitals. We can simplify these terms in next presentation with suitable example. Next, they have complex shape. Atomic orbitals are property of an atom. Next, they have simple shape. Next, advantages. First advantage is that addresses all of the above shortcoming of VBT. Next, provide a deeper understanding of electron pair bond. Next, accounts for the structure and properties of metal and semiconductor. Semiconductor is nothing but the itself not act as an conductor, but after adding some impurities it act as an conductor. That means the metal is perfectly insulator. इंसुलेटर होने की वजह से इसके अंदर जब हम इम्प्योरिटीज़ को ऐड करेंगे तो ये इम्प्योरिटीज़ को ऐड करने के बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन कम या ज़्यादा होते हैं, उसकी बिना पर ये एक्ट करता है क्या, कंडक्टर. और हमको पता है कि जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का लेन देन होता है चार्जेस का लेन देन होता है तो कंडक्टिविटी क्रिएट होती है। इसलिए जैसे कि इम्प्योरिटीज़ में हम आर्सेनिक है, इंडियम है, ये हम प्योर मेटल में इसको क्या करते हैं, प्योर रिफाइनिंग मेटल्स, इसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं। ऐड करने के बाद ये अल्टीमेटली ये क्या किस में तब्दील हो जाता है, सेमीकंडक्टर में। नेक्स्ट, यूनिवर्सली यूज्ड इन कैलकुलेशन एंड मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर। नेक्स्ट, डिसएडवांटेजेस। First disadvantage is that requires application relatively large and time varying magnet field, which may conducting to couple to superconducting devices. Superconducting devices, that means 0% resistivity. Next, the problem of large amount of large power and heating effect is also significant. Next, atom not tightly confined. We can discuss next point in tomorrow. Thank you.